is a traditional painting style of Madhubani district of Bihar, also known as Mithila painting. It was started by the women of Mithila region, but now men also make it. This art originally started as rangali on walls. Now it is also done on cloth and paper. It mainly depicts Hindu deities like Krishna, Rama, scenes from Ramayana and folk tales. The paintings make extensive use of natural themes like the sun, moon, flowers, birds, trees, and fish. Its speciality is that shading is not done to show depth, perspective, and every object gets a separate place. The artists use natural colors like turmeric, yellow, indigo, blue, rice flower white, and flower juice. This art reflects cultural identity, fertility, and the cycle of life, symbolizing love and fertility. This painting depicts the culture and religious beliefs of Mithila, which makes it famous